Okay, let me see. And some advice on eMASS training from the DoD ISO perspective. I would really love to get some eMASS training on ConvoCourses. I've talked about this to a student of mine who happens to have access. And I mean, I hope we can get it going, but I don't know. It's kind of just, we just talked about it. So he just mentioned that he could do eMASS training and might have some access to actually walking people through eMASS training. And that's something that I can do once I get access to it. That said, I work extensively on things like on tools like Archer and some homegrown Oracle-based tools that are just like eMASS to do the same thing. But eMASS in particular, I would have to have an eMASS person come in and do it. I personally don't have a lot of experience with eMASS, so I'd have to have somebody come in and do it. If somebody's watching, so I got 12 people watching, it's probably hundreds or thousands of people watch this over time. If you are eMASS expert, you need to contact me. You need to contact me right now. In the comments below, my site's in the description below. Contact me. We could set something up. You and we can create something, especially if you have access to eMASS where you could walk people through it without causing any problems. We don't want to see anybody's critical information or anything like that, right? We just want to maybe some dummy information and then walk people through how to use it. And there's many different iterations of eMASS. So, just contact me. We can work something out where we create some kind of training, some in-depth training on how to do it. And we'll put it on ConvoCourses. We'll work out how we actually allocate what price, whatever. That'll be up to you. If you're a trainer, please let me know. Thank you, Brandon J, for that. I will do my best to get that some kind of eMASS training. I have talked about it before.